Hey everyone! Today I will show you how to change Discord server name on mobile. Whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device, the steps are very simple. First, open the Discord app on your phone. And once you're inside the app, make sure you're on the server that you want to rename. If you're not sure, tap on the menu icon in the top left corner and you should be able to see the list of servers that you're currently in. Just select the server that you want to edit. And now that you're inside your server, look at the top of the screen and then you should be able to see the name of your server. Right after, click onto that and click on Settings. And click on Overview. Inside Overview on the top part of it, there is a server name. Just click on it and then make your edits on the server name. And once you are done, just simply click on Save in the top right corner of the screen. If you get a warning saying that name must be more than one letter, simply make sure your new server name meets Discord's requirement, then tap Save again. Once saved, your server will immediately update with a new name. And take a note that if you want to change the Discord server name on mobile, manage server permission is needed in order to rename that. So make sure that you have the right access to do so. And that is just basically it. Your Discord server name has now been successfully changed. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.